Hello everyone. How are you today? Been a while. My name is Adetokunbo Mike from the Genius FS. I'm here again with another mobile strategy. But before anything, let me clarify something. The Genius FS is not on Telegram. I could realize and get some report that some people are using my name, The Genius, and my logo to scam people on Telegram. The Genius is not on Telegram. I am on WhatsApp, where you can reach me directly and give you whatever you want. Okay? Here is another strategy. I'm here again, like I always do. As you know, that at the Genius FS, providing strategy for scalping, for swing trading, for positioning trading is our priority. Is what we know how to do best. And as I always say, that your smile is my happiness. When you are winning using my strategy, that is when my happiness derives. Yeah, this is another strategy, another mobile strategy that I call BOLLIBANTS mobile strategy. This strategy is a combination of relative strength index, envelope, moving average, and Bollinger bands with a crazy settings which you will never even think of. Before anything, let me show you the chart and how it works. This is 15-minute time frame. This is 5-minute time frame. This is 30-minute time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. But I'm going to do my explanation from 30-minute and 15-minute time frame. I trade gold at the Genius FS, as you can see. Let me explain how it works before the settings. Here is the oversold level, overbought level, and here is the oversold level. As you can see, this is oversold level and overbought level. This oversold level. As you can see, whenever market reach oversold level and overbought level, using this strategy, it is going to turn back. As you can see, it is going to turn back. Like I said, this strategy works best on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 30 minutes. It is edge to edge mobile strategy. You sell from the top and then you buy from the bottom. Now, let me show you. When we realize that market is overbought around this place, and as you can see, when your Bollinger bands reach this level, is your oversold. Like I said, when market reach overbought, we took our sell order right from this place, and market continues to go in our direction. Around this place, our level 95 and level 98 is your overbought level, and then around the 15 and then 5 is your oversold level. As you can see, when market reach oversold level around this place, that is when we take our buy opportunity, and when it reach this place, that is when we take our sell opportunity, and market continues to go in our direction. As you can see, market continues to go in our direction. This is live account, guys. This is live account. Let me show you 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. The same thing happened around here. When market reach overbought zone around 95 and 85 level, we took the sell opportunity around this place. Our market continues to go in our direction. You put your stop loss around this place at the back of that last higher high before the market start dropping down. And then here is your oversold level, and we took the trade around this place. This is where we took the trade around this place. This is where we took the trade around this place. Our market continues to go in our direction. Let me show you 30-minute time frame for better understanding. Now look at it. When market reach this place, turn back around this place, market reach that place and turn back. As you can see, around this place, market turn back Around this place, market turn back. As you can see, look at this place back. Like I told you that at the Genius FS, your smile is our happiness. When you keep winning, that is where we derive our joy. Oversold level, overbought level, our market bounce back. Around this place, market bounce back. Look at it here again. This is oversold level, market bounce back up. Oversold level, market bounce back up. As you can see, it's not a lagging indicator. This is overbought level, market bounce back down. Overbought level, market bounce back down. As you can see, market bounce back down. Let me show you. This is how it is. This is another opportunity. Look at this place. This is another opportunity. Oversold, bounce up, bounce up. Look at it. Let me show you another example. This is 15-minute time frame. It's like this also in 5-minute time frame. Let me show you. This is oversold level, market bounce back up. Oversold level, market bounce back up. Look at it. Thanks for listening. Try to like and subscribe to my channel. I remain myself, Adetokunbo Mike from the Genius FS. God bless you real good.